We have the question if p equals 0.334 times 0.329 times 0.34, which of the following is true? And so what we want to do is first kind of get an idea of what p actually is. And so we have 0.334, 0.329, 0.34. All of these are pretty close to 0.333. And why does that matter? Well, because we know 0.333, or really zero point 0.3 repeating, is equal to 1/3. So if we consider each of these 1/3, we can think of p as 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. And that's just something you should know. You should know that 1/3 is 0.333, 2/3 is 0.666. Try and remember your conversions at least up to fifths and sixths. I would really say up to twelfths, but at least up to fifths and sixths. It'll make things a lot easier for you when you take the test. So now, if we have 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3, 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. You're just multiplying across. 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9. And so then you go ahead and multiply this by 1/3. Again, 1 times 1 is 1, 9 times 3 is 27. So we can think of p as being equal to 127. And so now we want to see where that fits in our answer solution. And so if we think about 127th, this is a fairly high denominator, so we know we're going to have a pretty small piece. And so looking at A, would 127th fall between 1/4 and 1/3? And again, you can think of this visually if it helps. You know that 1/4 will be something like this. You know that 1/3 will be something like this. We know that 127 is going to be something like this, pretty small. So no, p isn't going to fall in between 1/4 and 1/3. It would be the same with 1/10 and 1/8, 1/2 and 3/8. And since these have different denominators, 1/2, 3/8, well, and different numerators also, so just to get an idea of what it is you're looking at, we know that 1/2 is the same as 4/8, right? Because half of 2 is 1, half of 8 is 4. So between 3/8 and 4/8, would 127 fall there? No. And so it would really only make sense that 127 falls between 128 and 126. These are too small, and it's just pretty much because of the numbers you have on the number line. 27 is between 26 and 28. So that's why D is going to be our answer.